Guys, welcome to Cebu. Shout out. Guys, gusto niyo gumala dito sa Cebu, mga kailangan kayo ng car rental with driver. Guys, tatanggap po kami ng any kind of passenger, local, international. Guys, meron kaming 4-seater, guys. At meron din kaming 5, 6, 7-seater guys. Meron kami SUV. Guys, kung gusto niyo maramihan, grouping, 10, 12 packs, guys, may sasakyan po kami, may van po kami nandun sa parking area at may motor din kami guys. Baka gusto niyo. Let's go. Ito guys, Vespa electric. Pwede siya sa motor rental guys. Gusto niyo magmualbual kay Chan, South North, City Tour, Mountain Tour. Guys, available every day. Ayan guys. Ito guys. At ano pang inaantay nyo? Booking na for City Tour Cebu. Anywhere you go. Thank you for watching.